Today I want to teach you how to make coconut oil, which is very beneficial to our skin and hair.
Coconut oil removes dandruff and split ends from your hair. To provide it, we need a brown coconut. Crack and cut the coconut into pieces and put it into the grinder. Now add a glass of hot water to it. In this step, we want to separate the coconut milk from its pulp easily with a cotton cloth. After the milk separation, let it cool for 6 hours in the refrigerator. Now pour your ingredients into the pot and let it on a low heat and vaporize it slowly until the oil becomes visible. When your pulps turn brown, it's time to strain it to separate the oil. This is now your natural oil. If you put the oil into the refrigerator, it becomes solid. I hope you liked this video. Until the next time.